Greetings, happy coders, and welcome to another video. And today I'm going to be showing you one of the games we published last year on Midnight Brew on a physical cassette, and seems to have gone under the radar a little bit. This version has an exclusive custom loader, which I'm going to show you. It's one of the best, I think, that you'll ever see. It's really impressive, and the game itself, of course, is fantastic. It's a game called Nothing. It's by Sergei Smirnov. If you're watching, hi Sergei, hope you're good. And yeah, it's currently available as part of Moustachio's Midnight Moonshine, which you can download. The version I put on there is actually the version for physical media, so it doesn't work on a lot of emulators. So I'm going to be updating that very soon to provide a standard loader, but it is worth seeing the customer loader, so I'm going to include it in the video here, and then I'll play the game very briefly, because it's a really tough game, but a really fantastic game. Hard to believe that it actually runs on a machine from sort of 1984, because it is a 128K game. Okay, so without further ado, let's load it up and have a quick go. Oh, by the way, the loader on physical media takes it's quite a big game, so it takes 6 or so minutes to load. So I'm going to skip the part. Once the custom loader gets to its main thing, I'm going to pause and speed it up a little bit, and we'll go straight into the game. Alright, so let's go. Sorry, slight technical glitch there with the emulator. Got it set up now. Hopefully should go ahead. And there you go, it's loaded. Obviously speeded up. This was originally an indie game, so let's take a look. It uses special custom scroll engine, so yeah, personally speaking, as a coder myself, this is technically probably the best thing I've seen done on the Spectrum from a technical point of view. It's very impressive. Okay, so let's notice also that it has sound and effects on the AY chip too. as always, much better at coding than I am at playing. I might do a bit more of that, probably use a save state so I can show you a bit more of it. But it's, as I said, fantastic game and available currently via the charity compilation that we're doing. And I'll be updating that soon to add this so that it works properly, so you guys can have a play of it. And we do have some a limited set of physicals that we have got. I think we got about 10, so look out for that on the Midnight Brew website. We'll be adding those fairly soon, I think. So yeah, super limited, but we did manage to get a few more in. So if you'd like one of those, then look out for that. And don't know if this will be my last video before Christmas. Quite possibly it will be. So as always, have a great time, have a great Christmas, and happy coding. Bye bye.